What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out of Culver City because we gotta go check out Westfield Culver City. Always got stuff here. Let's go see what's up. All right, man. The outlets definitely haven't been crazy. I thought they'd be crazy this weekend, but apparently not. All right, let's go look around here instead. All right, if you guys need information about this mall, go ahead and check out the description. I always put the address of the places I always visit in the description. Make sure you help a boy. Press that like button. Click on that subscribe button if you're new. All right, let's look around. This place is normally so busy. I rarely ever see J's here. That's crazy because I never see Jordans here. Got some mids, some highs, some 7s, some 36s. I've never seen this colorway. It's interesting. And some all white 36 right here. Okay, these are clean. Can't go wrong with all white. Got all white sneakers today. Okay. Almost all the LeBron 19s are on sale. Okay. All 150, right? Then this is the first spot I've seen these. LeBron 3s. I have one pair of the LeBron 3s. These are tanks. These are tanks. Man. As long as you take care of the leather, it should last for a long time. But yeah, these are pretty dope. These are pretty dope. These are 185. One that I got was 175 eons ago, just a few years ago actually. Okay. And then some lows on sale too. Okay. All the Kyrie's, PGs, and then the Zoom Freaks, KDs too. Okay. Been seeing these at the outlets already. That was just tripping me out. These are 160 for these bad boys. PGs, we've seen these on sale already at some spots too. Nike basketball just not selling as many as they thought they would, but the economy's been nuts. Keeps you fresh. One world, one people. These are the lows, and these are the highs. That's how much of a difference there is. Like, look. The lows, and then these are the highs. Like, not much difference at all. Or mids, right? They're not highs, they're mids. Okay. Another one world, one people. And then these on sale too. Okay. Is this the latest colorway of the Airmore Tempos? Have we seen these before? I don't think I've seen this colorway. I really don't think I have. But yeah, it's kind of like a suede on the letters, and then kind of like a nubuck or regular suede, regular buck leather. Yeah, it's not bad. 175 is a new price point for those. The Lowlands, the Vans Lowlands, we've been starting to see these on sale. Pretty clean. They're pretty clean. Normally 85, that's way high for those. Seen them on sale at a few spots now. 90 down to 40 for those. That's like a snakeskin pattern right there. Legos on sale right there, the Ultra Boost Legos. T-Max right here. Man, I really think we're gonna start seeing a ton of stuff on sale soon. Mall's just empty today. All right, on to the next spot. Got a few more spots. Actually, we just started, right? Okay. All right, JD Sports. Let's go. They probably had their raffle already, huh? For the Yeezy slide. Jordan section right here. Got a few J's. Not too bad. Damn, I can't believe they're getting 135 for mids now. Same price as these. I guess I'd rather have these right here. The Griffies. These are $40 off. Iversons. And these are the brand new ones that just came out. The Zoom Freaks. Okay, down to $50 off. And then what? 65 for these? $65 off or $55 off for these. Okay. I still think these are dope. I still like that powder blue. All right, I'm tripping. I always say first thing you need to do, check the front. Why am I checking the front? What's going on here? Got these right here. Should I post them on Instagram for y'all? Should I do it? 125 for these. I think these are men's. Yeah, these are men's sizes. Size 9 right here. Should I post it? Some of y'all need it, I guess. So they got plenty of Air Maxes. Starting to see more and more sales. And yeah, tons of Air Maxes. That's dope to see. Hopefully they go on sale soon. The one thing about JD Sports, they do get a bunch of exclusive colorways. Like I believe this is one of the exclusive colorways. Believe so. I haven't seen this anywhere. They usually have the things on it, but pretty dope. Pretty dope. I got a ton of Air Maxes. Hopefully, we see them on sale. Hopefully. But yeah, not too crazy today. Not too crazy today. I was able to get in on the raffle. They did have the raffle right here. I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Pretty dope. All right, let's go. Let's go. Damn, just drove by a hot dog on the stick. Oh, the food court's right above here too. Oh my God, this smells so good. I haven't eaten lunch yet. All right, let's look around. Look around. Cobalt Dunk. Wannabe looking things right here. More lowlands on sale, but they're gonna keep falling, right? Like I think Foot Locker had those for cheap, right? They're gonna keep falling. $5.74 is just a ton of them. None of them on sale though. What's up with that? All right, one of them on sale, but we need more of these on sale. That's only $6 off or $5 off. Come on now, dog. $5.01. I do got a few others. We're gonna start seeing them on sale. Prestos, and more Prestos. Even these, remember these? Dang, is it gonna make it till the next Halloween? Yeah, Halloween's like coming up in what, 2 months. Oh, holy cow. Okay. Still got these Air More Tempos. I do like these. A little more patent leather than I like, but got little sweat drippings on the patent leather right there. Okay. Dunks, these Dunks right here sitting around. I'm definitely not used to that. Still getting used to that. That is funny. Okay. Got matching Air Force Ones right there. Got these. Okay, this is only the second place I've seen these. The other champs had them. The lows are all gone. But okay, these look dope, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Material kind of mediocre, but totally has that off-white look to it. Couple of retros up there. Damn, I thought I'd see way more sales. I'm not seeing sales like I thought I would. Holy cow. I thought I'd see all kinds of sales. Then I'm still looking for one of the kiddos for birthday present, but nothing super dope. Looking for a 1.5C. I might hit up the clearance store, Nike clearance store, or I just give them my University Blue preschools. I got a size 1.5. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. Not on sale. Gosh dang it. All right. Two more stuff actually. I want to check out one other spot. All right, Locker Room by Liz. Man, they got so much stuff here. I don't know. I got to check out the clearance section. I don't know why. Prices usually not the greatest unless they have some sort of clearance sale. Not like the prices aren't bad. Like, oh, okay. Dang, everything's back to retail. All this stuff was $98 before. Now it's all back to retail. Holy guacamole. Dang it. Yeah, they repriced everything. Was this one originally $130 and then it went up to $135? Like, is that above what it was? This is random. Yeah, this one too, $130 and then $135. Okay, these O'Neal ones, the Shaq ones, still $98. So normally $130 down to $98. Okay. I think I got this one on sale. I got that one for hella cheap. Neon Dion. Okay, these are dope, dude. $150 for those. Rice, $150. Damn, that baby's like crying like crazy. Huh? Pick that kid up. Damn, dude. What's wrong with you? Alright, now we got a Salute to Service hoodie right here. Rams hoodie going for $90 or $88. This is a youth XL. Oh, is this the one I got here? I think this is the one I got here. How much are these going for? Oh, this is the kids one that I accidentally bought. Yeah, that was a kids. I forgot to talk about that. It was a kids. It is $25, but it fits my kid, so I'm just giving it to him. $25 for kids shorts. That's a hell of a deal. Men's pairs still go for $60. That's a Grizzlies one, right? $68 for these right here. These are LeBron jerseys. Is that a kids jersey though? It doesn't say. Oh no, that's a men's. $68. $83 for that. Oh, so maybe that is a. Oh, that's a large for the kids. This is a medium for men's. Okay, $83 for men's. This is still $55. That's actually really good. Donovan Mitchell going for 55. And it has a little signature right there, an autograph. That's what's up. How about this one? This one's 55 as well. So they do have sales here and there. Donovan Mitchell ones all going for 55. 98 for the Magic one right there. But it looks like the Mitchell ones, Donovan Mitchell, all 55 bucks. Yeah, the Nike ones as well as the Mitchell and S ones. All the other ones going for 98. Got Larry Johnson. We've gone through all these so many times. All right, let's go check out the one last store. That one last store. If you're a Donovan Mitchell fan, they're here. And then last store at this mall, dude got a chic. Let's go look around here, see what's up. Dude got 13s. He's just released. Full family sizing, it looks like. Colors, not bad. Not bad materials. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Reminds me very similar to the Atmosphere Grays. Okay, got grade school and then toddlers too. Or is that preschool? Toddlers, I don't know. Alright, dude got a ton of Jordans here. Citrus right there. You got the Gingers. Ginger 14s. Reverse Bread 1 mids. Bread toe? Is that bread toe mids? I don't know. The Volt. I forgot what people were calling these. Whatever, but the color coding is Volt. The Brotherhoods. Got these? Okay. Oh, these are the new ones. I'm tripping. I don't know why I forgot that all of a sudden. Then all the center course, and then Jordan spreading his arms. And then dude got these as well. Got some 36s right here. Is that with the glow in the dark outsole right there? Okay. These ain't the Lucas. No, these ain't the Lucas. I don't remember. But okay. Then they got the Westbrook stuff right here with the Team Jordans. Dang, man. Come on now, dude. Why y'all treating Westbrook like that? The why not 0.5s. What these going for now? These going for, $100? They're on sale? Okay, $100. Normally $130. The Take Back 3s, I think. Right? This is his budget line. $100. I know people say, hey, they can't be a budget line, but it is a signature shoe budget line, not like a regular budget shoe. So $100. Got a couple more of the Take 1 3s. And then they got Comforts right there. They got the Point Lanes. They got stuff. The TEs. And then is that new or have they always had that up there? I don't remember that. Man, you gotta read like a paragraph right there. That is a good saying though. That's dope. And then they got a couple of women's Jordans right there. The Elevates. Those are whatever. And then all kinds of Jordans with the grade school. Just Jordans atop of Jordans. Got women's. Still got the Violets right here. Also got the animal print 11s. Those bad boys. Those are the all suede versions. Comforts as well as the lows. These are women's, I believe. All this going for retail. Brotherhoods. Is this Heritage? Is that what they're calling it? The Cardinals. I think they got a restock on these. $150 for these, and then 13 Del Sols. Super Bowls. I believe they did get a restock on this. Random as hell. 813. Okay. That's an area code on the back right there for Tampa. There's a ton of stuff in the grade school. And women's section right here, man. Got Jordan merch right here. The apparel. I got this, I think I got this in 2 different colors. I got it in red, and I think I also got it in, I can't remember the color. I think black. I think I got those 2 colors, or maybe gray. And then I was able to find this shirt. This is like, what, $35? Oh, down to 25? Okay, down to 25 bucks. I got it for hella cheap. But not everybody has time to go to 50 different places, so 25 still decent, I guess. Then the Mitchell & Ness gear. I've always loved the Mitchell & Ness gear. I have bought a couple things from here when they've had sales, just because I don't pay regular price because I'm cheap as hell. These shorts, super fire. I'm a fan of these, but they're going for what, 80 bucks? Yep, 80 P's. Okay. And then dude got these shorts. These are kind of cool. This is pressed on, which I'm not like the biggest fan of, but they do that because it makes it, you could have it super light and all the dry fit's super light, but that's pretty dope. It has all the little logos on it. These are way too much. I think they're what, 60, I think? These are the Nike ones. I believe they're 60, 110 for those. If you buy an Anthony Davis jersey though for retail, shame on you, because I've shown it so many times at the outlets and stuff for cheap. And then ton of Nike basketball stuff. Nothing on sale, but they do have a really good selection. All right, I think we're done. Right. Oh wait, I'm wearing some Jordan 3s. Jordan 3 pure whites, all white version. I got these used, man, because I was trying to pay $4 for them, but I was able to find it for $100. So really good condition. Color's a little starting to yellow a little bit, which happens with white shoes eventually, but you know, it matches. I wear so much white, so it's all good. You know, I could just wear white shirts that are a little yellow. I guess yellowing a little. Oh, whatever. I don't know. All right, I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that was Westfield Culver City, Fox Hills Mall. Yeah, man. You know, it is what it is, man. We're seeing tons and tons and tons of Jordans out there, but you know, didn't see the craziest sales. Saw a few things, but nothing that really stood out. I did get a call from the JD Sports. I was supposed to go pick it up today when I'm actually filming this, but your boy didn't get out of work on time. JD Sports, you have to pick up by 5 o'clock. I didn't get out of work until like after 4, and traffic was crazy, so I wouldn't have made it there. So it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, it's not like I really wanted those sandals or those slides, so it is what it is. But would have been cool to have another pair of Yeezy slides, but it is what it is, you guys. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I'm trying to hit up more Nike outlets, because I think the Nike outlet trips have been more interesting. Other than the surprise UNC drops at Foot Locker, there hasn't been too much craziness. I think the Nike outlets just have been a little more fruitful. They've been more interesting stuff. I've been just finding deals too. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the Nike outlets. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. The usual, help your boy out, press that like button if you're new. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And yeah, man, I'm gonna be out of town for a bit. I'm still getting plenty of videos, so you guys have video to watch every day, and we'll be back soon. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.